Hey guys, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a EC2 instance in AWS services. So let's get started. So now we are in our AWS console and you can see this is the page, and from here you can create a EC2 instance by going to EC2 instance service. So just go to search and search for EC2 and navigate to this page, okay, and then just select launch instance button. Okay, so over here you just need to fill some form and you will be able to create your own EC2 instance. So let's do it now. So first of all, just give a name to your EC2 instance. So I will just name it as my first instance. You can see there is a system or the operating system that you want to select. I will just select Amazon Linux. Okay, and then here is a description will be provided. So your system name will be EC2 hyphen user. So by using this you will be able to log in into your system. Okay, instance type, the speed, the memory size of your instance, you can just select it from here. Okay, and then we need to create a key value pair, that is a ppk file through which you can connect to your system. So just create a new key value pair, first instance ppk, and just select private key file format. Okay, so that is ppk. Okay, and just click on create. So the file will be downloaded in your system through which you can get connected to your system. Once you do that, here in security group you can just select existing group if any. Okay, so I have, so this is the default one. So we will create a new security group for this EC2 instance. So SSL for all network anywhere. So if you want your system to get connected to this system, you can just give your IP address of this system, and then you will be able to connect through that IP itself, not other than that. Okay, so I will just select anywhere from anywhere. So once you are done, then just go to the advanced file. So initially I want to install some softwares like servers on on my EC2 instance. So in your user data you just need to pass some code. So I will just paste it over here. So here I will just paste this command. So this will upgrade your EC2 instance libraries, and then install NGINX in your system, and then start it and enable it. Okay, so with this we are going to host our first server in our instance. Okay, and then we also need to create a HTML page so that we can view our page over there. Okay, so that is also created by me. So you can, I will just provide the code in the description of this video. You can just get it from there. Okay, so this is simply a echo statement. That is the HTML page, and this is the page that will be shown whenever I want to view this in my browser. So in this file I'm just creating a HTML page over there. So just create launch instance. So once the instance has been created, you can go to instance and view your instance over here. So just give it some time because we are running some commands, right? So it might take some time. So I will just rename this second one to my second instance, something like that. Okay, so this is just for identification. Whenever I want to implement the load balancing, that time I can make use of this both. So let's wait for this check to get completed. So it is saying initializing. So let's wait for some time. So the status check has been completed, and you can see both the checks are been passed. So now just go to this instance ID and check your IP address, that is the public IP address. Just copy it and we can just paste it over here. So you can see I'm not able to access this from this IP address. Okay, so you must make sure that we are making use of HTTP, not S. So even after doing this, I'm not able to access it because I need to change the security group. Okay, so in your instance over here, so my first instance, inside this options you can just go to security, and you can see the security group has been created. So you need to alter it and make HTTP port 80 enabled. So just go to this security group, inbound, edit inbound rule, and here just add a rule, and from this drop down just select HTTP port 80. You can see anywhere IP address, IP version 4. Okay, that is 0.0.0.0. So once this has been done, so if I go to EC2 instance, running instance, if I see this, go to security, and you can see HTTP port range 80 has been enabled. So now let's check if it is working. Okay, so after editing the security group and enabling the 80 port for HTTP request, I was able to access my page after waiting for some 6 seconds to 10 seconds. I was able to access this page. Okay, so you can see this is unsecured because we need SSL certificate to access a secured website, that is S. So if I try to visit this, I will not be able to access because I need to add security group 443. Okay, so now this is 80 port, so this is unsecured, that is HTTP. So I'm able to access this page without HTTP. Now if I see, so you can see, so here you can see I am just printing IP address of my instance. So if I want to verify this, you can just go to private IP over here, and you can see this is the IP address been displayed over here. So this is how you can create your EC2 instance in AWS services and launch your own EC2 instance. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Proto Coders Point. Thank you.